Welcome WBP Star. Welcome to the dining room at the house on Sathorn, Bangkok. My name is Mink. I'm the sous chef here. So today we're gonna do one of the signature dishes of here at the dining room. We call the black sheep. First of all, you go have the cheese, Tuscany Turkish cheese. You have to separate the peel cheese with corn juice. You have to blend with thermos machine for 80 degrees for 10 minutes. That's when you're gonna get the peel cheese. The cheese like this. Then you have to boil it. Really gentle. So you have kusu starch, agar-agar. Then you have to add inside when it's boiling. We have to gonna make a ball like tofu. The texture is like tofu, so made from the cheese. So we're gonna add kusu starch and agar-agar. We have to stir until it becomes glutinous. So after we cook 10 minutes, it's become glutinous like this. You have to put into a piping bag. Let it cool down a little bit. So we have to make a ball by piping the ball into plastic film like this. And we have to Tuscan kale. We made by kale leaf branch in the hot water and then make like puree with burnt butter. It's gonna be in the middle of the cheese. After that, when you eat, it's come like a ball and you break the ball, it's gonna be inside the cheese. So we're gonna put the cheese inside the plastic film and we're gonna put Tuscan kale inside in the middle. Then we're gonna make a ball. Like this. You're gonna put in ice water, let it set with 6 hours. Before we serve the cheese ball, we have to reheat in the 70 degrees of 7 minutes. Then we got painting here. First of all, you have the cornmeal made by polenta, Tuscany cheese and butter. Okay. Then you got a cheese ball, a little bit burnt butter. This one just boiling, normal corn. We toss a little bit. Next one we put the dry corn, fish dry corn I would say. Next one, popcorn shoot. Please enjoy.